Okay, now that we've done that, how can we tell that he actually is moving? Well, if we click on just here where it says go to, you can see that it's moved. Now if I press on the next one, it should go to this area here. Just press once, and then to the next area here to the left, and to the next one here. That's great, but we want it to work automatically. So this is almost like Lego, where you can snap things together. Well, it is just like Lego, but we need to control it. So we press Control here in the script section. Nice and easy. Press Control. And here we got wait 1 second. So we're gonna basically drag out the wait 1 second, and we're gonna put it to -1. So it's really quick. And we're gonna just put it in between. But we wanna save time. We don't have to drag and retype. We can just right click and press duplicate. Oh, my mistake there. So I'm going to delete that section. There we go. And all I'm going to do is take that out for a second, separate these, put them back. As you can see, it's just like Lego. And I'm just going to right click. So you can make mistakes, like I make mistakes, but it's easy when you can just pull out blocks, and all you do then is delete them. And here we're going to just duplicate this, separate them out, duplicate, 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 and one more time, duplicate. Nice and quick. And then we're just going to put them in between. They're all identical blocks. We're just repeating them. And there we go. As you can see, Scratchy's moving around. Brilliant. So repeat this for your Scratchy design, walking around, and I'll see you in the next video.